Last week we uploaded this video here, and some of you felt it wasn't detailed enough. Today we'll go over how to create animated characters that talk.
In today's video, I'll take you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create faceless AI talking videos using LM Arena, completely for free. This is the beginner-friendly, slower version that some of you asked for. I'll explain every click, every setting, and every tool in detail. So even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll be able to follow along and get your own video ready by the end of this tutorial. Everything we'll use today is 100% free, and I'll leave all the links down below so you can follow along with me. The first step in any faceless video is your character, the person who will speak or appear on screen. You can use an image of yourself or a fully AI-generated avatar. For beginners, I recommend generating your avatar using Nano Banana because it gives you full control over details like facial expressions, outfits, and background without changing your character's main look. Head to Nano Banana and describe your desired character. If you don't have a concept yet, open Pinterest and type something like professional woman portrait or animated businessman Pixar style. Save a few reference images that inspire you. Then open ChatGPT or Gemini if you prefer. Upload one of those reference images and ask it to describe the person in detail. You'll get something like an elegant woman wearing a white blazer with silver accents, standing confidently on a plain white background. Now copy that description, tweak it to your liking, and paste it into Nano Banana to generate your own version. For consistency, always end your prompt with white background, landscape mode, Pixar style. This gives you clean edges and perfect proportions for video. Another trick you can use is to upload an image of yourself to Nano Banana and ask it to convert the image to a Pixar-style character. Once your image is ready, we'll move to the next step, resizing it properly. Most AI images come in random aspect ratios. For YouTube, we want 16:9, widescreen. To fix this, open Canva, click Create a Design, and set it to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Upload your image here and adjust its size so your character fits well within the frame. If your image looks cut off or narrow, download a frame from Canva that is 16:9. Go back to Nano Banana, upload both the frame and your avatar, and ask it to expand the frame or widen the composition of your avatar to match the 16:9 frame. Once everything looks good, download your resized image. Optional tip: if you plan to make vertical content for Shorts or TikTok later, also create a 9:16 version with a green background. We'll use that later for chroma key editing. The quality of your input image affects the quality of your video output. There are two ways to upscale your image. One is to upload your avatar in Nano Banana and ask it to upscale the quality. Another way to do this is to use Topaz AI Upscaler. It's free to try, and it sharpens and enhances your images automatically. Simply upload your image, click Upscale, and download the HD version. This ensures LM Arena has a crisp, detailed base to animate from. Now let's create the actual talking animation using LM Arena AI. LM Arena is an AI-powered creation platform that works a lot like Midjourney, except instead of generating still images, it generates full videos complete with motion and optional audio. Head over to lmarena.ai. I'll link it below. Click Join the Arena. You'll be redirected to their Discord server where all the video generation happens. If you don't already have a Discord account, create one. It's free. Once inside, look to the left panel. You'll see channels like Video Arena 1, 2, and 3. These are the rooms where you can generate videos. Click on one to open it. To generate your video, head to the chat box down here. To bring up the commands, type the / on your keyboard. You have so many options to use. However, we'll be making our videos from an image. From the provided options, select Image to Video. Now click to upload your upscaled image. You'll get this box here called Prompt. This is where you type what you want your character to do or say. I tend to keep my prompts very simple. I'll use this prompt: she is talking with natural hand gestures and facial expressions and says, I'll then put what I want my character to say in quotation marks. Press enter and wait about 1 to 3 minutes. You'll usually get 2 outputs per generation. One might have audio, one might not. Here is the output.
This week we uploaded this video here, and some of you felt it wasn't detailed enough. Today we'll go over how to create animated characters that talk.
Now, if you have 2 characters in your image, describe them either using position or color of their fabric. I'll upload this image of our 2 characters in a podcast studio. Here is the prompt I used. Here's a sample prompt you can copy. Both ladies are talking with natural hand gestures and facial expressions. The lady in pink says, the lady in white says, press enter and you get this output.
Hey guys, welcome back. We've missed you.
Yeah,
Right.
That's right. Stay tuned for what we've got for you today, and I can guarantee you'll love it.
If the objective is to make vertical content or explainer videos, you'll repeat the same process but with your vertical avatar. I always recommend creating your vertical avatar on a green background since it's easier to remove with a chroma key. Let me show you how. I already have my vertical image here. I'll upload it and paste my prompt.
And just like that, you have your avatar in vertical form. To remove the green background, open your favorite editor. I'm using CapCut.
Add your video to the media section, highlight the video, then head over to the background section over here. In the drop-down menu, click on chroma key and adjust the strength until the background disappears. And that's how you are able to make a character that you can overlay on any video. Now, LM Arena is 100% free to use, and every day you get to generate 5 free videos, but it has its cons. Sometimes your video generations don't have audio. You can tell that the character is talking and saying exactly what you wanted, but no audio. If your clip comes without audio, don't worry. We'll fix that with a free lip sync software called Dreamface. Head back to LM Arena and download your videos to your computer. One of you asked in the previous video how to access their generations. Once your video is done generation, your computer beeps, but it can be a tedious job to scroll the timeline trying to find your video. Head over to direct messages on the top left corner. This is where all the direct messages sent to you are found. On this panel, you can see who has sent the messages. Look for LM Arena and click on it. Every time your videos are done generating, LM Arena sends you a direct message for easier access. To see your generations in the timeline, click on this button that says View Videos, and it will take you directly to your generations. To download them, hover on your videos and you'll see this download arrow. All your videos will have a short watermark or logo at the end. We'll trim that using CapCut. Just import your video, trim off the last few seconds, and export. Now we'll give your clip a voice. You can use your own voice. If you don't want to record your own, go to 11 Labs. It's a text-to-speech site with realistic AI voices. You get 10,000 free characters per month. Paste your script, choose a voice, and download the audio. To sync this audio perfectly, we'll use Dreamface. Head over to Dreamface and upload your trimmed video on the left, your audio on the right, and click Generate. Dreamface automatically matches lip movements, facial expressions, and timing to your voiceover. The free version has a watermark, but we'll remove it next. Go to Magic Eraser Video Tool, upload your generated video, highlight the Dreamface logo, and click Remove. Wait a few seconds, and the logo disappears cleanly. Now you have a polished, professional-looking, lip-synced AI video, 100% free. And that's it. Your first complete AI talking video made using LM Arena. You didn't need to film yourself, record a voice, or buy any expensive subscriptions. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI video creation tutorials, and comment below what kind of video you'd like me to break down next: faster editing, storytelling workflows, or full automation. Until next time, keep creating and let AI do the heavy lifting.
Thanks a lot for watching. We appreciate it. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in this video here.